Setting up and utilizing the Xero Expenses app is a simple process. Today, I'll guide you through the steps. Begin by going to the App Store or Google Play Store and searching for Xero Expenses. Download the app to your mobile device and open it. Sign in using your Xero account credentials, then follow the prompts to connect your Xero account to the Expenses app. You may need to authorize access to your Xero data. Customize your expense categories to align with your business needs. Add categories such as meals, travel, office supplies, etc. If your business reimburses employees for expenses, set up expense claim settings in Xero. Specify the reimbursement process, approval workflows, and payment methods. Invite employees who will be submitting expenses to use the Xero Expenses app. They will need to download the app, sign in with their credentials, and connect to your Xero account. Use your mobile device to capture photos of receipts. Open the Xero Expenses app and select Add Expense. Choose Take a Photo to capture a picture of the receipt, or upload receipts from your device's photo library. After capturing the receipt, enter details such as the expense category, amount, date, and any relevant notes. If submitting an expense claim for reimbursement, select Submit Claim. Review the expenses included in the claim and submit it for approval. If you're a manager or administrator, review and approve expense claims submitted by employees. Open the Xero Expenses app or log into your Xero account on a web browser to access expense claims. Approve or reject claims based on your company's policies.